If you're tired of running out of hot water or waiting for a traditional tank to reheat, electric tankless water heaters are the future. And in this video, we'll break down the top 5 models for 2025. Let's begin with one of the most reliable and popular models in the market, the EcoSmart ECO 27. This 27 kilowatt powerhouse is designed for whole home applications, delivering up to 6.6 gallons per minute, which is more than enough to run 2 to 3 showers simultaneously. What makes it a standout performer is its self-modulating technology. It automatically adjusts the amount of energy used based on your hot water demand, which improves efficiency and lowers utility bills. It boasts thermal efficiency near 99%, and the digital temperature control allows you to fine-tune the output in 1-degree increment. Ideal for larger households or colder climates, the ECO 27 is compact, wall-mounted, and supported by a limited lifetime warranty. The only catch is that it requires a 240-volt electrical system and around 112 amps of current, so installation may need a professional upgrade. Closely following is the EcoSmart ECO 27, the updated version of the original ECO 27. While it carries the same 27 kilowatt power rating and similar performance, the ECO 27 features an improved shell design and upgraded safety certifications, including an ETL listing. Internally, it uses stainless steel and copper components for durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring a longer lifespan. It delivers a consistent 2.7 to 6.6 gallons per minute, depending on inlet water temperature and usage. Like the ECO 27, it includes self-modulating controls and a sleek digital interface. For those who want an equally powerful but slightly more modern version of a proven design, the ECO 27 is a smart, future-ready alternative. Next on the list is the Rheem RTEX 18, a mid-sized electric tankless water heater ideal for small to medium households. With an 18 kilowatt rating, it offers a maximum flow rate of about 4.4 gallons per minute, enough to support 2 showers or multiple sinks at the same time in warmer climates. What sets the RTX 18 apart is Rheem's solid engineering. It features external adjustable temperature control with an LED display and dual copper heating elements for faster water heating. The unit is compact and easy to install, with threaded connections that simplify maintenance. However, you'll need a 240-volt setup and 2 40-amp breakers to power it efficiently. If you're looking for a mid-range unit from a trusted brand that balances power and affordability, the RTEX 18 is an excellent option. Moving on, we have the EcoSmart ECO 11, a compact and affordable solution for point-of-use application. With a 13 kilowatt rating and up to 3.1 gallons per minute flow capacity, the ECO 11 is best suited for small apartments, guest bathrooms, or single sink setups. Despite its size, it still incorporates self-modulating technology and a digital temperature control system, maintaining energy efficiency at up to 99%. It's lightweight, easy to mount on a wall, and doesn't require as much electrical capacity. Just a 240-volt connection and a 60-amp breaker. While it's not powerful enough for multiple simultaneous uses, the ECO 11 is perfect if you need instant hot water for a specific location without investing in a whole house system. Finally, for high-demand applications, we recommend the Rheem RTEX 24, a heavy-duty electric tankless model designed for families who need consistent hot water throughout the day. With a 24 kilowatt capacity, this unit can provide up to 5.9 gallons per minute, enough to handle multiple showers, dishwashers, and sinks running at the same time. It features an LED temperature display, durable copper immersion heating elements, and serviceable parts that make maintenance straightforward. Like its smaller sibling, the RTX 24 requires a 240-volt system and a higher amp load, so you'll want to ensure your electrical panel can support it. It's a powerful, well-engineered choice for large households or homes with high hot water usage. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to enjoy endless hot water while cutting energy waste, any of these models could be the right fit for your home in 2025.